Hi, I'm Scott Reel, and on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, I'd like to talk to you about tree and shrub maintenance. One of the most environmentally sound things that you can do in your yard is to compost. We often think of the things that fall down in our yard, like leaves or twigs, as garbage, things that we need to get hauled off to the dump. But what they are is Mother Nature's way of replenishing the soil in your garden. By working with those things, as they do fall down in your garden, you can make garden soil and mulch all your own that won't cost you anything but a few minutes of work and time. This was last year's. And you can see as I dig into it, it's gone a good way towards rotting down. Now it's not finished. I'll finish that off in my compost tumbler, but it's most of the way to turning back into soil. That works great for me as a mulch in my gardens, actually helping feed and add nutrients. And as a mulch, it helps hold moisture into my garden. It also doesn't cost me a cent. And pretty much once the mulch is finished, I don't need to turn it. This is where this year's compost has been going. As you can see, it's a long way from that other pile. You take a quick look through here, you can see all the things that I've been putting in. There's my grass clippings from mowing. Here's some of my leaves from cleaning up some of the garden areas. This gray powder over here is some wood ash from fires. Wood ash is a great way to add carbon back in. And you want to get a good mix of greens and browns. The browns are carbon, your greens are going to be more nitrogen. My grass clippings have added a great green for me, and the leaves and the wood ash are adding great browns. By keeping an even balance there, I keep a nice mixture of bacterial and fungal components to my compost. Bacterial compost is great for feeding vegetables, annuals, perennials, and grasses. Fungal compost is great for feeding trees, shrubs, and vines, things that get woody. Both of them need a little bit of the other. So trees need some bacterial, and grasses and annuals need some bacterial and fungals as well. But if you build a good balanced compost, every plant in your garden is going to thank you for it.